Hi, Noblesville East. This is Mrs. Clark, your librarian, and this video is a tutorial on how to set up the app Access 360. Access 360 has lots of ebooks and audiobooks for you to check out. If at any time during the setup a pop-up appears, choose Do Not Allow or Not Right Now or No. Okay, so when you first open the app, it might open up to a white screen and you might just need to swipe it over a few times to get to this screen. And this is a zoomed in spot of your screen at the top. So what you're going to do is type in Noblesville Middle School. Make sure you spell Noblesville correctly. And then once you press enter, it will give you the option Noblesville Middle School, Indiana, USA. Go ahead and tap on that. And it will bring you to this screen. The very top here is already filled in for you. USA, Indiana, Noblesville Middle School. Do not change any of that. But where it says library ID, you're going to type in the numbers 20202 followed by your lunch code, your personal lunch code. There should be no spaces there at all. Then you can tap into the PIN field and you'll just type your lunch code, your personal lunch code. Once you get both of those in, tap on Log In. This is a zoomed in version of the next screen. So it should already have your library ID shown, 20202 followed by your lunch code. So next you're going to tap in User PIN and you're going to type in your lunch code. Then tap under Confirm PIN and once again type in your lunch code. And for display name, you're going to type your first and your last name. And for your email, make sure you're putting your school email. So your first name underscore last name underscore graduation year at nobl.k12.in.us. This is zoomed in to the bottom of your screen. So it's going to ask you about a security question. Go ahead and tap on that and a drop-down menu will appear with lots of different questions. Some of them really won't apply to you, so pick one that works well. I went ahead and picked what's your favorite color? And I typed in green for my security answer. So you can decide what question you want to choose and what your security answer will be. The box below that for checkout holds, please do not check the box. And once you're done with that screen, you can click on the green button, Create. If it does take you to a screen, again with a pop-up, go ahead and tap out of that pop-up. And if it says that there was an error, try swiping out of the app and reopening the app, and oftentimes it will refresh and it will open up to the home screen in Access 360. If there are any issues with getting you logged in, you can talk to your teacher and either they can email me or you can email me. Again, this is Mrs. Clark, your librarian. When you are in Access 360, it will show you all the books that are available will have a little green icon above them. All of the books that are currently checked out and not available will have a gray icon. If you notice down here for The Last Hero, this one, it shows headphones. That's just showing you that that one's actually an audiobook. Anytime you check something out, you can come down here and click on My Shelf, and that's where you'll be able to open up your book and read them. All right, I hope this tutorial got you all set up. Any questions, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.